Comm International Inc. is a partnership between Comm Technologies SD and BHD from Malaysia and the Carl Group founders in the Philippines. Our vision is to become a market leader in healthcare technology management in the Philippines, excelling in our industry, and setting the standard for excellence and innovation in healthcare technology services. It is our mission to deliver responsible, competent, and high-quality equipment maintenance and repair services. Comm International Inc., or BCI, is a prominent hospital technology management company that offers integrated services and support in the healthcare industry. We specialize in providing hospital support services catering to the unique needs and requirements of healthcare facilities. By focusing on technology management, BCI aims to enhance operational efficiency and improve overall patient care within hospitals and healthcare settings. The company provides engineering and technical services to various sectors, including healthcare, manufacturing, and infrastructure. Our offerings include mechanical, electrical, and instrumentation engineering, project management, medical equipment planning, and hospital support services. We committed to continuously improving our operations to ensure client satisfaction and provide the best possible support for our customers in the industry. Industry partnerships. In healthcare, BCI offers services like facilities management systems, facility engineering maintenance, biomedical engineering maintenance, cleansing services, linen and laundry services, healthcare waste management, and repair and calibration services. These services ensure the functionality, cleanliness, and safety of healthcare facilities. BCI adheres to legal and regulatory standards, including the Medical Devices Act, Radiation Protection Act, Electrical Safety Act, and Hazardous Waste Management Act, alongside international standards. Our goal is to enhance client operations, reduce costs, and boost safety and compliance. BCI's industry stakeholders include pharmaceutical companies, medical device manufacturers, healthcare IT companies, and healthcare advocacy groups. Also included are some government agencies such as Department of Health, Department of Education, Philippine Health Insurance Corporation, and the National Health Insurance Program. The future of healthcare support services is shaped by advancements in technology, patient engagement, and the need for efficient and effective care delivery. To meet these challenges, hospitals must prioritize staff development and training, quality improvement initiatives, and patient safety initiatives. Investing in electronic health records, supply chain optimization, and medication management will also be essential. Moreover, hospitals must adapt to changing patient needs and technological advancements while maintaining a focus on quality, safety, and patient-centered care. By prioritizing these areas, hospitals can ensure high-quality care and position themselves for success in the rapidly changing healthcare landscape. Comm International Inc., your healthcare technology and management.